My name is Jacob Sanders. I'm head of security here at Best Traders. We're one of America's largest catalog showrooms. The reason for me bringing my home camcorder tonight is I've seen some things while working this job. Hey Chucky, hey Greg. I love you boys. Merry Christmas. Sorry that I'm not there again. This is the last time though. Next year I'll be there with you guys. We do have a few security cameras. Every time I go through the footage, I don't find anything. I was hoping that maybe Daniel could come finish the rest of my shift. Something's just not right. I feel really lightheaded and I might have blacked out. I don't know. The entire upstairs really doesn't have power. The Freak Building. It was originally owned by a company called Bourbon Industries.
It's like someone's trying to keep this information a secret.